Hi, I'm Thorpe and this is Teacher Tech Tips. In this series I'm going to show you some tips that will improve productivity, help keep your system safe and hopefully teach you something that you can pass on to others. Tech tip number 1. I want to start with a shortcut that made a huge difference to my working day. Unfortunately, I am not a touch typer, so even after 20 years I still look at the keyboard when I'm typing. So imagine my disappointment when I've been writing an email, look up and realise that everything is in caps. Has this ever happened to you? It was only last year that I discovered a keyboard shortcut that can change the text to the correct formatting, and here is how you do it. First, highlight the text you have typed, press and hold Shift and then press F3. Hey presto, you now won't be told off by anyone for text shouting ever again. Tech tip number 2. Modern working seems to involve having more apps open than ever before. And sometimes you have so many windows open, you can't find the one you want to swap to. If you press the Windows Tab button, this will bring up a window of all the open tabs in use. You can then use your mouse to select the window you want to. If you scroll down, it will also show you all the documents you've been working on recently across various apps like Word or PowerPoint. I love this feature. Tech tip number 3. How often do you move data from one app to another? Imagine you're preparing for a lesson and you want some text from a web page. Go to the web page, highlight the text and press Ctrl and C for copy. Then go to the app you want to put the data in, like Smart Notebook or Active Inspire, and then press Ctrl and V, and that will paste the data or the text into that page. And that's it for episode 1. I hope you found it useful. Thank you very much for watching.